Fists up, knee up high, doing these little circles to get the hips warm for this really quick aerobic fun kicking, punching workout that's really gonna burn a lot of calories and work the lower body like crazy, and also get the upper body and shoulders involved because we're gonna use our fists. Boom, boom. And there's gonna be core involved, lots of balance. And there's just 3 exercises, and we're gonna go up starting with 1 and going up to 10. And that may seem like, okay, that sounds easy. And it's gonna be challenging. If you wanna add weights, whoo, that would be impressive. All right, we're gonna go in 3, 2, and 1. Starting with a front kick with a flexed foot. 1 on each side, and then 1 calf raise, and then you're gonna do butt kick, and then 2 on each side. 1, 2, and then 2 calf raises. 1, 2, 2 butt kicks. 1, 2, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 kicks on the other side. 3, 2, 1. 3 calf raises. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 on the other side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get set up for your butt kicks. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 6 calf raises. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lucky 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Using power. Other side. 7, 6, 5, 4. How high can you kick? 3, 2, 1. 7 calf raises. Heart rate going up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do it. Butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switching sides. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kicks are coming. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Get set up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Calf raises. I'm going to do it. First position plie. Heels together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9 booty kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on the other leg. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grand finale. 10. This is the last round. Get ready. And 10. Kick high. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can't forget the other leg. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Regular calf raises. 10. Let's do them fast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands in front. All right, booty kicks. Maybe have the feet a little bit wider apart. And 10, 9, 8. Speed it up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. You did it. You stayed. So good. All right, let's do a quick stretch. Heel sideways, other heel down and front, hips back, shoulders positioned in line with that leg, stretching out the hamstrings, the back of the leg. Excellent. Tap that foot down, bend the knee, roll up, balance, use that core, bring that knee up, and hip flexor stretch. If you want to do the next crazy one, don't put the foot down, bring the foot back, grab the laces, bend the standing leg, shoulder back, and we're stretching the quadriceps muscle, the large muscles on the front of the thigh. Yep, ankle's a little shaky. That's all right. Release using that strength to bring that foot down. Let's stretch out the other side. Heel down, toes up. Rotate the torso in line with that foot. Don't round. Just put your hands at your waist and lean with your chin. Excellent. All right. Tap the foot down, bend the knee, roll up, balance, and bring the knee up. Hip flexor stretch. Grab the shin. You can use both hands if you want, or one, up to you. You can tap down or just bring it right back. Shoulder back. Bend the standing leg. And maybe bring that shoulder back a little further. Release. Awesome job. So good. I love kickboxing. So I have other kickboxing videos. I'll put another really fun one on the end screen. And then also, if you really like cardio, I have a Running Man tutorial that's a blast. So I'll put that on the end screen as well. And if you're looking to lose weight, cardio, weight training, oh, that's awesome. Do it every single day. At least walk every day. Weight train twice a week at a minimum. Be consistent with your workouts. So that will help with weight loss. That is just step number one. Number two is the diet. So if you want a coach, you can contact me or just order my book. It's got my recipes and how to do it, stay on plan, and I make it really easy. And you can check out my book, The High Five Diet, through my website, thehighfivediet.com. Now get some water and hydrate because that was a lot of work.